Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing 101, how to make money with affiliate links. We'll break it down into three main parts. What is affiliate marketing, how to get started, and the pros and cons. So, if you have ever wondered how to earn money online, you are in the right place. What is affiliate marketing? It's like being a digital matchmaker. Yes, as an affiliate, connect customer with the product or services they need. When a sale is made through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Simply put, you promote someone else's product and services and make a percentage of sale as a reward of your effort. It's a win-win. How to get started? Now, you might be wondering how to jump into the affiliate marketing. Here's a simple roadmap. Number 1, choose your niche. Start by selecting a niche you are passionate about or knowledgeable in. It's easier to promote something you are genuinely care about. Number 2, find affiliate programs. Next, sign up for the affiliate program related to your chosen niche. Companies provide you with unique affiliate links. Number 3, create quality content. Produce high quality content on platforms like a blog, YouTube, or social media. This is where you'll promote those products or services. Number 4, promote your affiliate links. Integrate your affiliate links naturally into your content. Be transparent with your audience that these are affiliate links. Number 5, build trust. The key is to build trust with your audience. Offer honest reviews and recommendation to gain credibility. Pros and cons. Finally, let's talk about the pros and cons of affiliate marketing. And let's talk about pros first. Number 1, flexibility. You can earn from anywhere and choose your own schedule. Number 2, low overhead. No need to create your own product and handle inventory. Number 3, passive income. Earn while you sleep as your content continue to generate sales. Number 4, diverse income streams. Promote multiple products from different companies. Now, let's take a look on cons. Number 1, competition. The affiliate space can be crowded, making it a challenge to stand out. Number 2, income variability. Earnings can fluctuate, especially in the beginning. Number 3, disclosure requirements. You must disclose your affiliate relationship with your audience. Number 4, time and effort. It takes time and effort to build an audience and make a substantial income. And that's the basic of affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic way to earn money online. But remember, success takes time and dedication. Whether you are a blogger, vlogger, or social media influencer, you can tap into this lucrative world. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.